Hi, I'm Darian Woolbright. The real estate market is golden right now for sellers. However, things might be changing soon. In this quick video, I'm going to give you the details. Prices are soaring. The median price of an existing home sold in September rose 14.8% compared to a year earlier. That's a new record in price growth since these numbers started being tracked in 1968. It's also an all-time high when adjusted for inflation. So what's behind this surge in prices? Well, there's a couple of things. Limited supply of homes. The inventory of homes on the market fell 19.2% annually. At the end of September, the number of available homes stood at just 1.47 million, which represented a 2.7 month supply. For reference, the normal supply is 4 to 5 months. While this imbalance between demand and supply is certainly pushing up prices, there's another important factor: record low mortgage rates. The interest rate today stands at about 2.8%. That's almost a whole percent lower than it was a year ago, which at the same time was the lowest ever rate. Buyers are eager to take advantage of this situation, and such low rates can take tens of thousands of dollars off the real cost of buying a home. Despite the growth in prices, homes can still be affordable. So what does this all mean to you? Well, if you were to put your home on the market today, you would most likely sell it for top dollar and in the shortest amount of time. However, things might be changing soon. For one thing, there's been a spike in the number of sellers who think it's a good time to sell right now. It's increased from 16% in March to 56% today. And also, home builder sentiment has been rising steadily for the past several months. That means we'll likely soon see an increase in the completion of new homes, which can tilt the market more in favor of buyers. That's why I think it's a golden time to put your house on the market. Prices are high, interest rates are low, time to sell is low, and buyers are eager to buy. If you want to take advantage of this opportunity while it lasts, you can get started by finding out what your home is worth at my website, darianwoolbright.com, and click on the Home Valuation tab, or call, text, or email me. If you have any questions about selling your home, give me a call. I talk to buyers and sellers in the market every day, and I'm always available to you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.